Meter, measuring the length of the classroom items. Question, how long are the classroom items? Hypothesis, I think that this Mary picture is 70 centimeters. Materials, pencil, meter tape, data sheet, in notebook. 4 objects. Procedures. 1. List your objects. 2. Estimate. 3. Measure the objects. 4. Find the difference. Data. Conclusion. In my lab, I learned that smaller items are easier for me to estimate than bigger items. I got one right and the rest wrong. My opinion. I loved this lab. It was one of my favorites. I loved learning how long and wide things are in our classroom. I loved making the meter tape and coloring it. I loved using the meter tape and measuring everything. This is my favorite lab. I hope to do something like this in the future.